The HashCode method in Java is a crucial component of Java's hashing mechanism, which is used in hash-based collections. This method is defined in the object class, meaning it is inherited by all Java classes. Its primary purpose is to return an integer representation, hash code, of the object, which is used by hash tables to determine where to store the object. Hash code, just like equals, has several rules that must be met. The first rule is internal consistency. The HashCode method must consistently return the same integer value, provided no information used in the equals comparison on the object is modified. The next rule is equality consistency. If two objects are equal according to the equals method, then calling the HashCode method on each of the two objects must produce the same integer result. The next two rules are not easy to cover with tests, but they say that two different objects can return the same HashCode value, and a good implementation of the HashCode method generates values that are evenly distributed over the entire range. Knowing all these rules, let's implement our HashCode method.